Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need WhatsApp updated. Open a conversation now and tap the emoji icon, then select the sticker tab. Once there, press the plus icon to browse packs. You can also pick My Stickers to see installed sets. This is where you add, remove, or reorder. Make sure your internet is on because downloading packs requires data. If you plan to use custom sets, prepare an image app or file manager. You'll move into the sticker creation steps next. To add packs, choose one and tap Download. Stickers appear immediately in your tab. For custom stickers, you need 512 x 512 PNGs with transparent backgrounds. This ensures clean edges and correct scaling. Use a Sticker Maker app to import images, crop or trace, then export as a pack formatted for WhatsApp. Once exported, tap Add to WhatsApp inside the Creator app. WhatsApp will prompt you to confirm. This converts images into a usable sticker pack for chats and status. To send a sticker, simply tap it in the sticker panel. Long press any sticker to add to favorites for quick access. If you need to organize, open My Stickers to reorder or remove packs. This keeps the list tidy. If a custom pack fails to appear, make sure files are PNG 512 x 512 and you tapped Add to WhatsApp. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall WhatsApp after backing up chats. That usually resolves recognition and display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.